Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome you all to Happy Home online class. I hope you all are doing well. Our topic today is 3D paper installation flower design. Now what is 3D? 3D stands for 3 dimension. Any object that you can see it from 3 sides is called 3D art. For example, chair, table, book, etc. And what is installation? Installation means any object that occupies large space of area, height-wise, width-wise is called installation. A fish trash bin at sea view is a good example of installation art. Material required: A4 size paper, glue, scissors, ruler, pencil and one thick stick. So let's begin. Take an A4 size paper, fold it, it's in shape triangle. Cut the remaining paper. Fold it once again. Near the folded side, draw 6 lines towards unfolded side. Now draw 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Let's mark it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now cut 6 straight slit of papers. Open the paper. Now join the slits of paper one by one. Front, back, put some glue, join the lines or slits. Alternatively, now completed back and front slits and glue it together and make a shape of petal. Petals for you. These are the small I have made it. So you can join together all the lines and all the petals So you will be able to paste it the whole beautiful flower. And paste it like this. Now beautiful one petal is ready. Now you can hang it at your home, or you can give to your friend. So I hopefully you learned it step by step method and you followed it and you all will made it at home. And this is your homework assignment. You can also upload it pictures related making. You can upload it pictures. The process how to make this flower. Thank you very much.